Hey, what's up everybody? It's Flux at fluxwithit.com, and today I want to show you the FineLine expansion. This is a teaser for the new Maschine expansion I've been working on for quite some time. We're talking over 5 gigs of new drum sounds, multi-sampled instruments, analog loops, glitches, just lots of content in here to really take your Maschine to the next level. So everything is tagged up inside of Maschine, and you can check out the kits right here. We've got all these kits inside of here, and they run the gambit from acoustic drum sounds to analog sounds to bit crushed sounds. There's over 640 patterns here. Let's just take a listen to a few of these. So let's get right into this. There's also, you can see here, if we go into sounds, we've got these multi-sampled instruments are every bit as deep as something you would find in a high-quality contact library. So let's just go ahead and we'll grab one of these up. And they also take extensive use of the built-in Maschine effects so that things can be mapped out and you can get lots of creativity out of these. Let's take a look at how deep these are multi-sampled. So if we go into our zone window here, you'll see that these are all dealing with multiple velocity layers. We've got 3 different velocity layers on this one, and each sound, bare minimum, has at least 30 different multi-samples in them, and really just allow you to get inside, get deep into these sounds, and have the flexibility that you would have with a contact instrument, but not have to load contact and just have it efficiently right inside of your Maschine. Now, I've sampled everything from Fender Rhodes, which I have sitting right next to me here, to Modular Synths, to Fender Rhodes running through Modular Synths, to the Moog, pretty much combining everything. Digital hybrid synthesis, just really running around and putting it all in here and just making sure that everything sounds great inside of Maschine. So let's take a listen to what we have right now. So let's just dive right in. We'll use this pattern right here and kind of add on to it. So just quickly kind of throwing something together. And again, you know, everything's tagged up in Maschine. And these deep multi-sampled instruments take advantage of Machine's full power inside of here, utilizing things like the Maschine effects, the grain delays, everything. And let's just run through a few more of these sounds so that you can check out what this expansion's all about. Now, when we run through, we have the option of just looking at all the different sounds that are tagged up inside of here. These are all multi-sampled instruments inside of here, and you can just kind of get an idea for what some of these are about. We also have in here, if we go into our samples, we can scroll through and, oh, here we go. We can scroll through and check out all the different styles of samples in here. Now, if you select the FineLine in here, we have everything tagged out into banks. So you can jump right to your kicks, and you get all the kicks from the FineLine expansion right here. Over 50 kicks inside of here. You know, if we want to go and check out some of these analog sequences, let's take a listen. And they have the beats per minute on there so that you could easily chop or loop or really do whatever you want to do on here. We have beat sequences in here. These are analog drum machines run through modular synthesizers and through outboard gear. So, again, this Maschine expansion is going to be coming out very soon on bigfishaudio.com. Highly recommend you check it out and support the independent. This is Flux of fluxwithit.com. Peace.